Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe, and if you love such videos, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So right now I've come to Oasis Center, which is in Kormangda 100 Feet Road. So this place has an amazing clothing. So right now I'm going to lifestyle. I've already made a lifestyle video on western wear. So this video is all about Indian wear, ethnic wear, flats, heels, accessories, bags and many more. So now let's go inside and check out what all they have. So Lifestyle has a great sale going on right now. So the kurta starts at rupees 799. They also have a great sale which is 50% off to 70% on each and every brand. So all these are the Biba kurtas. They also have a set going on sale. So Biba kurtas are on high end, but no worries, they do have a sale which is 50% to 70%. So these are the 999 kurtas. So you pick anything, it is for 999, and they have a lot of collections in that, starting from simple office wear to heavy ethnic wear. And if you haven't watched the other part of lifestyle video, do check it out because that video has a lot of new collections. So if you find lifestyle nearby to your place, do visit it instead of coming to Oasis Center, because all the lifestyles have the same clothing, but when compared to other branches, I feel that Oasis Center has the best collections. So don't worry about the size. You get all size available over here, starting from XXL, XXL to small and XS. And they have a lot of fitting rooms over here. So in Lifestyle, they have a great collections in lehengas. So these are the lehenga sets. So it starts at rupees 1500 and it ranges for about 6000 to 5000, and they also have discount on that. So all these beautiful lehengas are from a brand called India. So India has one of the beautiful and aesthetic collections, and I just loved all the collections from them. They're so simple and unique. Just look at these beautiful colors. So if you have an office function or anything, then you can choose Biba, because all the collections in Biba are very rich and royal. And if you have a very grand function and it's a party, then you can choose India. India also has the best collection, but they have a great sale going on right now. So if you're a very simple person, then you can opt for these kurtas. These are very simple and classy. So today I've come to shopping with one of my very close friend. So she wanted to get a lehenga. So right now she's come to India because she loved all the collections in India. So she's checking out her lehenga. So let's see what she gets. So I just love this pink lehenga. Look at this beautiful detailing belt. This lehenga was worn by Shilpa Shetty once. Do check it out. So this is all about the lifestyle clothing. So now let's go to the next counter, which is the accessories. So coming to accessories, how can someone forget accessories, because they are everyone's favorite, and I just love all the collections from Lifestyle. They're very reasonable and yet affordable too. Sometimes the price may be on higher side, but this time it is on sale. So that is the reason why I'm telling you all to go visit Lifestyle. So just look at these beautiful earrings and all these collections. I just loved all of them. So now let's go upstairs and check out the footwear. So once you come upstairs, they have one of the best collections because everything, each and every product is on sale, starting from rupees 199 to 1000 and many more. I never expected that Lifestyle has such a beautiful collections at a very affordable price. You name it and you find everything over here, starting from flats to heels, wedges, formal wear, gym wear. So they also have wide range of collections in handbags, sling bags and many more. I will show you all each and every item over here because I love all the bags over here. So just look at the collections over here. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how it looks. Just look. And if you have a party, then go for this one. So this one is a tiny small golden portly bag and it is very beautiful. So starting from party wear bags to office wear and college wear, they have each and everything, and it starts from 50% off. So here ends the video. Thank you so much for watching. You can also follow us on Instagram for more updates and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.